Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me today for this amazing collaboration that I have with my dear friend Danielle Gerstenberger, otherwise known as Glamburger here on YouTube. I'm so excited to do this Friendsgiving collab with her. I am so blessed to have been able to meet her through YouTube. We haven't met in person yet, but I feel so close to her, and I'm so blessed to know her and feel so blessed by her that I consider us really amazing friends. And so, why not do a Friendsgiving? Wow, what is that cars going on out there? My goodness. Friendsgiving is that a new term? I don't know, I think millennials came up with it. I am so far not a millennial. But I think it's a fabulous idea. Why shouldn't friends celebrate each other? They're there for each other all year long. They support each other. They love each other. Why not have a Friendsgiving? So the palette that we chose, she just recently got her palette, and I actually have the Vault, the Jaclyn Hill collection. But this is the Armed and Gorgeous palette, and it is pretty. There goes that. It is pretty gorgeous, I have to admit. It's got some spectacular colors. I sometimes shy away from greens. I've been getting used to them more, but I do love all of the oranges and browns and the golds and the foil shadows and everything in here. And so we decided we were trying to come up with some ideas of what to do, and why not choose our most favorite colors in the palette. I know, although I haven't seen it, I know Danielle's going to choose the green because she loves greens, and greens look spectacular on her eyes. So I know that's what she's going to choose. And honestly, I mostly wear the oranges and the golds, and when I pull out this palette, excuse me, that is usually what I go for. I do wear the green, but I'm not going to wear it today because when I think about me and what I wear on a daily basis, these colors here, and I don't know whether I'm going to go for like the new gold or the old gold, essentially. I'm very excited to get started. I love getting ready with you guys. I'm not getting ready with you with my whole face, just my eyes. On these very tired, very not yet recovered eyes. If you haven't checked out Danielle's channel before, I'm going to link her below. She is one of the sweetest humans on this earth that I have ever met. So, normally I would go all over my lid with a white shade, but because this one's a little bit shimmery, I'm going to save that for my brow bone. But all of these colors are very pigmented and lovely. So instead, I am going to use Access here, not the dark one, this light one, Access, which is like a yellowy orange as my transition. And in case you're interested, I'm using an a Sigma E35, which is a really nice fluffy blending. I can't speak, blending brush. I always film my videos. I film my videos on the weekends and when I get home from work. And when I get home from work, my brain just stops working. So weird. I'm just so used to setting my eyes with like a bone colored shade or a nude or my nude skin toned shade that when I don't do it, it's so foreign to me. But I love pushing my boundaries. Brings me joy. This is a bit of a stiffer brush, so your colors will go on much more pigmented. So Danielle and I, of course, met through YouTube. You know, we just started watching each other's videos and commenting and supporting. I am a huge supporter of smaller channels. I have news. Whenever somebody subscribes to me, I always go and I click on their picture and I see if they have a channel. And if they have a channel, I subscribe. Because I want to support smaller YouTubers, because to be honest, there's very few larger YouTubers I actually watch now, because I know these smaller channels are going to really care about your comments. I'm not saying they don't care, but maybe the larger YouTubers just have too many comments or too much going on to really be able to care about everyone. So that's why I really enjoy watching smaller YouTubers, and you know, they're they're honest, and again, I'm not saying the larger YouTubers aren't honest, some of them aren't, but I just find it a genuine something about them, and that's one of the first things I saw in Danielle when I first started watching her videos. I'm going to go in with Agent here, which is a beautiful orangey color. Like, you know when you can tell that someone is just so sweet and like wouldn't harm a fly, but yet she's a strong, beautiful, confident woman with just the sweetness that I absolutely adore. Like, you can't help but like her and love her, you know? I'm not going as high as that other color because I want that other color to show. I'm actually going to add more to it. This actually isn't our first collab. This is actually our, sorry, I think being out in the cold the other night, I think I might be getting a cold, but we'll see. This is our second collab together, and we collabed a third time. No, actually we collabed 2 times with other people, all of whom I love. But anyway, this is our second solo collab. I get so sidetracked. I'm gonna go back in with my Sigma brush and that What Are You Access color and go right above again. Smooth Criminal, this chocolatey, reddish chocolatey color, I'm going to go in with next. So I forgot to ask, do any of you actually do a Friendsgiving thing? Or is that really just like a younger thing? I never have. It's all I can do to host Thanksgiving, as it is. I can't imagine a Friendsgiving. Although I think like the Friendsgiving, like everybody brings something. As much as I love the holidays, boy, do they stress me out. Going back into Agent. My packer brush, I'm going to take Secure. And just slightly putting that across my lid. On my lower lash line, I'm kind of just going to mimic a lot of the colors that I did, starting with Access, Secure, all on the same brush. Trying not to make those faces that I make. Oh boy, when I go into editing, oh. I'm going to leave that for now, and I'm going to do my lid a shade because I think I want to deepen things up a little bit. I know I want to use Guilt Trip because this is dark, so I think I want to use Guilt Trip. Even dry, this goes on beautifully. Of course, if you wet it, the intensity is really, well, intense. Get a thesaurus, Leanne. I'd have to try some of this classified just a little bit. Do I have another packer brush? I have 10,000 brushes. Do you think I brought another packer brush? No, but I'm just going to try my finger. Pretty. Or should I be like Kim Kardashian and just lick my finger? Can I just state the ew factor on that? So tell me about your best friend or your friends. What do you love about them? I love stories. I'm going to take a little bit of Prowl, which is a dark chocolate. How great would like a meet and greet be one day where I could like get to meet all of my amazing YouTube friends and family, like I call you guys, and just be able to say hi and hang out and be like, wow, you're that amazing person that I talk to through my comments. I'm going to take some of What Are You Again? VIP, that white one. I love this little brush that we got in Boxy. It's amazing for so many things. I'm also going to take this tiny Morphe M522 and run this along my lash line. Did I say my lash line? You know I meant my brow bone, right? Different parts of the body. You know, like this is my feet. I'm actually going to use, because I want to use this before it dries up, this is the ink from, I think this is Pretty Vulgar. Really nice stuff. And I love my Sigma angled brush. I bought a whole bunch of Sigma brushes, you know, back not too long ago when I actually had money. And I love them. Of course, along with Friendsgiving and Thanksgiving comes Black Friday. And let me tell you, the sales that are occurring, I'm going to have to live vicariously through all of you because I can't. Ulta is killing it with the sales. I was going to do a video, by the way, probably tomorrow. This will be going up Wednesday, by the way. Oh my god, I can't talk and do eyeliner. I was going to do a video about all of the Black Friday sales coming up if you want me to, and like run through everything. Not impressed with Sephora's Black Friday preview at all. Ulta, on the other hand, oh my goodness. I'm probably going to do it. Hopefully you guys will like it. Of course, I forgot my regular black eyeliner, so yeah, I'll be right back. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I just spent 20 minutes looking for my favorite thick, chunky eyeliner that I just used the other day. You think I can find it? No, of course not. My eyeliner and mascara drawer isn't that big. Goodness gracious. Anyway, I will use this Urban Decay 24/7 liner. I really want to try the Marc Jacobs highliner. I've heard so many amazing things about them, but I won't. I'm not going to put my primer on because honestly, I'm taking this makeup off essentially kind of when I'm done. So I'm just going to, I have to use this up. I wasn't thrilled about it, but it is the Butter London Double Decker Mascara. I don't want to be wasteful and I want to use up my products, even though I dislike them. Because you can't pass on mascaras. So you just have the same complaint. This just gets clumpy and sticky even from day one when I first used it. And honestly, it just doesn't give me great lashes. Okay, who moves their mouth when they put on mascara? Me! Google just talked to me. That's disturbing. The girl needs to be blingy a little bit. Oh, you know I didn't too? Told you I'm tired. Forgot to line my lower lashes. Line? Oh my goodness gracious. Oh no, my favorite lower liner mascara, the Dior, is running out. I'm gonna have to use one of my other ones. No. I haven't used my Aurora Glow kit that I got in a long time, so I'm gonna call... No. I'm gonna try the one called Lyra, that goldish one. Because I think it just goes. Okay, I need to know who buys into the conspiracy theory that our electronic devices are listening to us 24/7. Just curious. Because I said, oh, I don't like that mascara, and she goes, oh, okay. I grabbed my Sephora lip liner, which I actually really like. So I am back. I planned to saying I'm gonna go off camera and finish everything, but I wound up doing a lot while I was talking. Yeah, lipstick. So I'm not thrilled with the lipstick I choose, but guess whose butt was too lazy to go up and get another one? This girl's. Anyway, I love the look that I created because as a Friendsgiving, this is one of our favorite palettes together. And I cannot wait to go see Danielle's. I know she's going to use this green. I know she's going to use the green because greens look so good on her. I can't wait to see it. But I'm so blessed and so thankful to do this Friendsgiving collaboration with Danielle. I'm going to link her video below. I hope you guys go and check it out. And I know you'll want to stick around because you can't help but fall in love with her. And if you hear from Danielle's channel, hi, how are you? And I hope you will want to stick around because we have lots of fun here on this channel. But thank you so much, Danielle, for suggesting this and wanting to do this together. I'm so honored. I'm so blessed by you, by your friendship, and by everything in between. And before you go, I just got to show you what my mom gave me. Speaking about being grateful, she gave me a little music box and it says love. It's a little computer. It's a computer. Can you stand it? It says, "Dear daughter, whether we're miles apart or I see you every day, know that you are loved and I am never far away. Love, Mom." Made me cry. And listen. Have I told you that I loved you lately? Can you stand it? Anyway, I thought this was a nice thing to take this out on. I hope you guys have an amazing day, an amazing week. Hope you are grateful and thankful for so many things in your life. I certainly know that I am. I love you guys tremendously, and I'll see you in my very next one. Bye.